Let's make a tassel. This is my tassel maker. Let's just wrap. I'm going to start with some green lace. And then I'm going to add some orange. The colors of this tassel is going to be green, orange, and pink. The biggest thing is don't let it twist. That's the big thing. I'm gonna add some ribbon. You can add ribbon, you can add yarn, you can add lace, you can add ripped pieces of material. Whatever fibers you have around your craft room or your home will work. I've seen where people used a shirt that they bought at the Goodwill, and they made the most beautiful tassels out of it. So it's all up to you and your taste. I like to go with big and then go to the smaller. That is one thing I do like to do. This is some pink jute rope. I'm going to add that in. Going to cut that off. Then I'm going to go to the center of the tassel maker, into the center right here. Wrap my jute rope, pink jute rope, around the center, and then tie it off. And then give it another tie. And then I'm going to wrap this around one more time and give this another tie. Then I like to cut it as long as the rest. Okay, your tassel maker has this slot right here. The slot is there to put your scissors in. Just like this. See how my scissors is in that slot? And give it a cut. And you do the same thing on the other side. Slide your scissors in and give that a cut. And you turn, it comes out looking like this, which looks really sad. And then you divide that in half. Looking more like a tassel, huh? Okay, and then you wrap. This is the jute cording, but you can either use jute cording, you can use wire, you can use whatever you choose to use for around your tassel. A lot of people now are using these in garlands for their mantle with beads. They're using them in jewelry and necklaces and keychains. I'm using mine in keychains and in, my husband's making crosses, so I'm putting beads and tassels on them. Okay, now it looks like this. Now it's the time to trim up some of the loose and make it more consistent with the length. And then I go back up and put a little hot glue where that knot is, the final knot is. And there's the tassel. And then I trim this. That is the tassel. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. I'll have every other day I upload a video to YouTube. Please subscribe so you see what I am making next. Join the Buckeye Girls family by subscribing so you see what I'm working on next time. Bye.